how to use Loox for Shopify reviews. So let's get started. So first you have to log into your Shopify, and then here in the interface you have to scroll down and click this add application. Now probably you can see that Loox here. If you can't see that application, then you can simply go to Shopify App Store, tap this one. Once you tap this, what you're going to do next is to click the search bar. If you can't find the Loox reviews on the applications below, then you can go to the search icon or search bar and then type Loox. Now you will see different applications here for suggestion, but what you're going to install is Loox that is built in Shopify. Okay, so there are different applications here related to Loox, but you have to click this one, built for Shopify rather. So you have to click this one, product reviews application. Now, if you don't know about this one, then you can scroll down here and then look for the information and what is this all about. So at least you have the idea on what is Loox and how it works to your Shopify store. So once everything is okay, click install, and then here you have to give access to this application to your Shopify. Click install again, and then wait for a couple of seconds, and here it is. So you can just simply click this use Loox for free because, let's just upgrade next time. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you what are the features that you can avail if you just use the free version of Loox. Okay, just click continue. What's your store's primary language? So everything is up to you. For me, it's English, but you can scroll down here to look more. So you can see here brand color, icon color, but actually you can do this customization later. So just click continue. And then when should we ask for reviews? Then you can do that later. Okay, just click continue. Offer discount for submitting. Actually, everything is up to you, but you can do that later. Okay, so all you have to do here is to click continue. Okay, so actually, this one is like a discount. If someone sends a picture with their review, then they can get a discount next time. Okay, so post purchases referrals widget. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, your customer can get a discount if you want to give them at least 10% if they do this referral. But actually, you can do that next time. So you can click this continue, and then you can also offer this on-site referrals widget. So, for example, the loyal customer can get 10% discount if they're going to share this link to their family and friends. So they can also earn this amount right here. Now, if it's okay with you, you can toggle this one on. If not, then off. For this time, let's just click this continue button right here. Okay. So here, referral discount and rewards. Okay. So a friend, you can give at least 15 discount or 15% discount, and then advocate reward. You can type the amount here. Everything is up to you. Minimum purchase for 500, let's just say 500, they can get 15% discount. Okay, so all they have to do is to avail this one, or they just have to do referral in order for them to get discount and rewards. Okay, so this is the amount that they can get, or they can have the discount if they refer this to someone. This is what it looks like. Okay, but actually you can do this one later also. It's like a preview on what you can do here on Loox. Okay, and then after that, what you're going to do next is to click continue. So the next thing to do here is to design for your Loox theme. So you can enable this Loox core script if you want to add script right here, but actually you can do that later also. So as you can see, you're all set. Enter the admin, import now. If you have your reviews already, you can import that. But if not, then you can proceed. So this is what it looks like. You have reviews, referrals, upsells, and more. So if you tap below here for reviews, let's start with reviews. This is the Loox reviews, and this is the options and features that you can see and you can manage. So we have here collect reviews, reviews widgets. We have here manage reviews and import reviews. So let's start with collect reviews. We have here managing new reviews. So you can have this auto publish a new reviews if you want. If this comments or this reviews are 5-star reviews, like for example, if the customer rate the product 5 reviews, then you can have this auto publish new reviews if you want. So all you have to do is to toggle this one on. So review notifications, you can add your email here so you will be notified with the notifications or with the reviews coming. Requests, okay, so review request timing. So you can set the timing for your request or an email to be sent to your customers after 10 days of purchasing the product. So actually, Looks recommend or before requesting a review for these products, they advise delaying the request for 14 days. That's just enough time for someone to receive the product and use it in once or twice at the very most. They will be in a good position to provide an insightful evaluation with the product that they have purchased. Okay, so that is the good thing about those looks. And then you can also set a discount for that. You can have this auto generate single Shopify discount code. You can create this here. Discount expires after 30 days, 15 days, everything is up to you. So for customized email, send your customers an email, and then you can have this review request reminder, photo reminder, discount for photo, discount reminder for photo, reply to review. So everything is here. It's really set for the customer to give a review to your product. With the help of the Shopify product review software Looks, marketers can automatically gather client testimonials complete with images and videos. Users of the app can also post these reviews on a shop. It allows you to customize review widgets, import reviews from well known websites, integrate Google Shopping, and do a lot more. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a sample form. So, form gives your clients the easiest way possible to submit reviews. Okay, so all they have to do is to enter some information here and that's it. You can also have this custom questions. So you can add your questions here. If you want to add your own custom questions to the review form, if you want to add some questions, if there are questions here that are unnecessary and you want to replace them with most important questions. Okay, so you can also have this review widgets. You can add this product reviews widget, rating widget if you want pop-up widget. All you have to do is to activate review slide bar widget, okay, trust badge, snippets widget, and a lot more. So all you have to do is simply add this to your theme once you have created your theme here on your Shopify. So you may collect genuine client reviews here on Manage Reviews directly with Loox. So you have two options here, import reviews or send manual request. So for import reviews, all you have to do is to follow this instruction, drag the import to Loox button to your bookmark and then go to AliExpress and then click the import to Loox button on the bookmark. Okay, so these are examples of the reviews from AliExpress that you can get. So all you have to do is to follow the instruction once you have your store and your products with you. So let's proceed with referrals. Okay, here, so you can offer discounts, advocate reward, and then minimum purchases amount. So you can just simply type the amount. Everything is up to you. Okay, so we have here offer widgets and settings. So for widgets, as you can see, we have here, or they have on-site, post-purchase, and post-review. For on-site, okay, so on-site, turn your site visitors into brand advocates that drive sales. So you can just simply edit everything here and manage whatever is on this on-site referrals. For post-purchase referrals, it enables every customer to share your brand and get rewarded for driving new businesses. So in settings, we have here branding integrations, orders in general. So if you want to integrate to any applications here, if you want to see the orders, if you want to change something on the orders and with the general settings of your looks, all you have to do is to go to this area. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so with the help of the Shopify product review software Loox, marketers can automatically gather client testimonials complete with images and videos, and users of the application can also post these reviews on a shop. So this is the advantage of Loox. It enables brands to collect customer reviews with photos and videos automatically. So if you are planning to do a business or have a business or create a store in Shopify, then I highly suggest this Loox if you want to gather reviews from your customers automatically and easily. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.